like she's asleep. So we will let you guys know how things go. We are running behind as always, so we're rushing. Don't try to say hi, you guys, now. Drinking my keto coffee. All right, y'all. We finished half of it, so we are now well, not actually half of it, like the first part of it. So he just got injected with the stuff. 3. Yeah, so first he got injected with the stuff that they need to like be able to see his kidneys on the x-ray machine or the CT machine. Now he's about to get the catheter test done, so he's gonna do that. And I feel more comfortable because the guy who helped with the IV, he's doing the catheter, and they did great with the IV. They only had to stick him one time. He didn't really cry like that. He cried because they were holding him down more so than because of the pain. Like, so it didn't really hurt him. Taylor's right here. And my babe's right there. I'm so glad he's here. Like, we were just talking about if he was not here, like, I don't know how I would have done it with like Taylor and like trying to be there for Cam. The way they were talking, I was kind of nervous, like I was gonna cry, but I didn't have to cry. But I was nervous that I was gonna cry because they kept saying like he's little, so his veins are little. Hey, little guy. Hold on, boo. They kept saying he was little, so you know his veins are little. So they may have had to prick him more than once, but they didn't end up having to do that. So thank God for that. And Taylor says she has Play-Doh. What color is your Play-Doh? Blue. Blue. Super cool. What are you making?
Low power mode.
What are you making?
I mean, y'all talking, man.
Food?
Siri can't pick up my voice. Low power mode.
And Cam is asleep. I think he's starting to move.
Low power mode.
See, you're peeping it up.
Low power mode.
Hold up.
Low power mode.
My stinky man. He's so strong. So I will let you guys know how the catheter test. I have to like put on a gown or something to go back there with them. So
is it one person only?
I think so. From what I read.
So she can't go back there.
No, she can't.
So it has to be one.
Y'all, people be acting like being able to be at home with like your kids is easy. It's hard. Like, it's hard because like with appointments and stuff, like I don't know if CJ wasn't able to take off work, I don't know what I would have done, because I just thought about it. Taylor wouldn't have even been able to go into the ultrasound room or the x-ray room because like the radiology and stuff like that. What type of food is that? Blue green beans? Blue Cheetos? Do not put that to your mouth at all. That's my girl. Just gonna put you real quick. So cute. So y'all, I have to wear this for the x-ray machine, and he's right here. He just got an x-ray. He just got an x-ray of his stomach. They're about to put the stuff in his bladder so they could see. Let's see if I can. Can't look at my hair. Ow, ow, ow. Ow. Ouch. can't believe I have a son.
I can't even have my baby.
He like, man, just talking my head off. I know she talking your head off, man.
I didn't do it. Daddy did it.
Is he okay?
You good, man? Hmm?
Is he okay now?
Yeah. She got pink like me. Look.
What you gotta say, Nani?
What you guys say? Did you hear your brother crying?
I hear my brother crying. I hear my brother crying. He was crying.
He was crying for you?
How did that make you feel?
Daddy, you want to wash your hands up? Okay, still.
You don't. Oh, you warming his hands up.
He tried to scratch my hands. Do you?
So we are finishing up the last test that he has to get, and this is my baby. So he'll be in this machine for, right now it says 13 minutes.
He said right minute for like 6.
Oh no, for 24 minutes. It's counting down right there, the green.
I thought you were trying to get like the total. He's already been in there for.
No, he's been in there for, yeah. Nani? She's getting hungry. We left her snacks at home by mistake. I never forget snacks when daddy's not with me. My baby falling asleep, y'all. Alright, we are back home. I'm so tired right now. My babies are asleep. I told CJ we are real parents out here. 2 kids is hard. I don't care what nobody say. 2 is hard. I'm tired. I'm about to eat. Y'all guess what CJ eating? Guess.
Mama J.
Mama J's. Scoot on, babe. The reason why I went in the room with him, y'all, is I wanted CJ to do it, but I had to do it because I can't do that. Because when CJ came out, I would have been asking questions, and CJ, he's so like nonchalant. His answers would have been like very basic.
Yeah, do it. I know y'all eating.
Yeah, so CJ would have been, his answers would have been like too basic for me. Like I would have wanted to know everything. What his face looked like, what he did. Did he cry? Did he whine? What did he do when he did that? Right,
seriously though.
And CJ would have been like, look, you sure went in there with him. I'm just trying to make sure my little man make it out. I know too bad. I'm tired. Well, y'all, we carried you guys with us today. We learned what the results are on the 19th. So this was just a testing part. They're gonna let us know if he has reflux. I did a little bit of research on it yesterday. And basically reflux would mean that there's like a backflow of the urine. So we'll keep you guys posted on the next appointment and what the results are there. You got anything else to say there?
Hey, I'm telling you, this food is so good, man. I'm telling y'all. Hey.
Babe, what do they call this? A mukbang?
What?
When you're eating and talking. A mukbang?
They understand. And this apple juice right here?
He swear this apple juice is bomb. I haven't tasted it yet.
You're not gonna taste it. Martinelli's, best apple juice you can get.
I think he likes the bottom. That's about it.
Nah, I like the juice.
I got the juice.
I bet you somebody know about it.
Now the yams was good. That bite I just took.
I know. Get to breathing on hard.
What? That's you.
Like that's when you can tell when the food is good, when somebody breathes hard. I took breathing on hard.
No, that's you. I heard you, man. You heard it yourself.
Man.
Let me go check on my baby. We will talk to you guys in the next vlog. Hope you enjoyed this one and going with us to Cam's appointment. So have a good rest of your day and see you guys on Friday.
Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say.